Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to be talking about, or mainly talking about, the sentencing of Ricardo Richards, aka Kaka. You may remember him, right, from a spooky incident that took place in March. I'm also going to be touching briefly on a post I see on RGR called Jamaica Ready to Assist, but no help requested by Haiti. Well, I forgot to talk about it. Sorry, I don't want to laugh too early in the video. Anyway, Kaka. Them just fling a Kaka for 22 years. 22 years. Now, few people, regular PIA link me and say, that seem kind of strange because normally when time man plead guilty, because he did plead guilty, and normally when man plead guilty, them get a big time reduction of them sentence. Kaka was only given a 10% reduction, which is very, very low. Right. Very, very low. Right. I'm going to tell you why that is. You see, when it comes down to cases like this, when the judge decide what kind of discount figure, they might look on a few things. And the information we reach at the courthouse paint a better picture as to why Kaka get a big sentence like this. One, he was already waiting to go on a murder charge. So it's not like say he was walking down the road and him and the man and nothing, and then next thing you know, him and the man jump in an argument and him do the man something. In those cases, you see when time you know a history of badness and even if you know previous convictions, you know really have no reputation as no bad man and that. Judges tend to be kind of lenient by you. But Kaka was already right upon murder charge in a jailhouse. Next thing, the policeman, the Kaka, end up shoot. Information come out of the courthouse say the man's spine actually fractured. And to this day, him can't work properly, him can't go back to work. You see that right there, so? You see when judge hear them thing there? You're going to have a very, very warm day. All if the breeze a blow cold, trust me, I go sweat. You're going to sweat in that courthouse because that means that policeman will likely have lifelong injuries because of what happened to him. So when they must sentence, them thing they get taken into consideration. Fracture, spine. Let me tell you, spine injury are one of the worst injury you can get, especially as a man. Right? Spine injury. Trust me, even time I know people in real life who pick up spine injury, and even when time them thinks everything good, out of nowhere, look a breeze blow, then can't walk, then can't move. Trust me, it's a terrible, terrible thing for them. Terrible, terrible. So when time judge hear that, you get rough. But then, you know, stop this so. Your old Kaka really make up the judge mind for him. You see the weapon them take on the policeman and then shoot the policeman. I'll know Kaka no return it. You see, his mother going to the courthouse and give glowing statement about him. I don't know why. To me that don't even make sense. Why would you invite, if you're going to get a character reference on somebody, a character reference that you want to take serious, I don't know why you even send with somebody's mother, because let's face it, your mother got a good boy. It's very unlikely your mother going to court goes to officer flinging me, judge flinging me. It's very unlikely. Right? There's a reason when time you feel out any kind of farm, them tell us say them don't want to hear from the mother and the father because them got a good thing for you. Right? Kaka also say the residents, some of the community support him. I'm sure they do. I'm actually believing upon that. But the fact say the policeman, service weapon, the government gun, which in reality is the taxpayer's gun, still outstanding, that right there's a sink Kaka. You see, if the people them around Kaka did care about Kaka, right, or even maybe even lawyer or whoever, you see them did really want to give him a fighting chance in that courthouse, they would make Kaka tell the police them where the gun there. If you take away a policeman gun and still have it, or no get up, you don't want Gary Road. You can't serious. You can't really want to go back on road for now. Remember, you know, even the clansman them, when things get hot, you see having a policeman service weapon, that bring down a piece of heat on 87. Where, as I say, even the clansman them, they really like them thing there. Stone Crusher, when man take a weapon from police, them know say the end is near for them. So the fact say him not return the weapon, help the judge make up his mind. You see, the big speech for them give about being reformed and all them things and oh I'm sorry. Let me tell you where they have more weight than telling judge say sorry and telling policeman say sorry. Say you know what? Your Honor, after careful consideration, we decide say that all they might done in the 87 lifestyle, but with the lack of the weapon owner so see it here, go feed. Or make me know him carry scene or and friend him carried come on it over. The fact say that weapon is still out there, potentially carrying out other hits, Kaka help make up the judge mind for him. Right. Kaka help sink himself right there so. Actually, it's make up the judge mind for her, right? It's Justice Sonia Wynne Blair who sentenced him. 22 years. And even so, it's not like say, very unlikely I'm going to do the full 22 years, but let me say, spine damage plus weapon still outstanding. Yeah, it was never going to go too well for old Kaka. And they released a statement in the courtroom. If I'm telling you, say Kaka have a little trollish thing about him, you know. Here Kaka tell the police them in a caution statement. And that's when the police them just hold upon him. This is a direct quote. My boss, them think they rehearse and execute, but me never want to kill the policeman. End quote. Them think they rehearse and execute. So Kaka tell the policeman them start planning because as I said in the original video, him go through great lengths, right? Plan, get the bleach and mask it off and wait till the right time up at the hospital for dashing a eye and thing there. Kaka tell the policeman them say, them think they rehearse and execute. But 22 years, I guess by now him probably think to himself, well I better him try fight it in a court, but guess what, at them time they fling him. If him did try fight it in a court, at them time they only see sentence. Remember, not just a policeman, but him they have other murder charge upon him. Interesting. Anyway, let me touch upon the article Messi in the RJR. Please restrain yourself from laughing. Please restrain yourself from having a gas take over your body. Jamaica ready to assist, but no help requested by Haiti. That's coming from the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Kamina Johnson-Smith. I'm sorry, I had to have a little chuckle when we read the title. Right. First question. When them say Jamaica ready to assist, next question I want to know is assist with what? Assist with what exactly? What Jamaica go do? Send investigators go over there? Go do what? I mean, I'm trying not to laugh here, you know. This is how. Let me just the second part too. But no help requested by Haiti. The next question I have to ask is why would they? So one, ready to assist. The question to that is assist under war, and no help requested from Haiti. And the next question is why would they? See, me understand saying at times like this, you know, people have to figure out a statement and make it sound like, you know, but let's be realistic here. Which team Jamaica go send go yet to go find no answer? Jamaica can barely deal with 87 octanes. Jamaica can barely solve crimes committed by the lowest ranking 87 octanes. Una see 40% of the clansmen them walk from the trial already. 40%. We talk about 87 will commit murders in a broad daylight with no mask on their face. Jamaica can barely convict. What Jamaica go here to go do? Go investigate them 116 there? Go investigate them big wig there, them shark there, them orcas there, great whites. If we can barely deal with the little Janga them, you know Janga in the river. That's what 87 I think. 87 will be like a Janga. Look a shrimp. You can build deal with that. So Jamaica go. Haiti go deal with blue whale. The man them will just wipe out the president as if it was just a little meaningless answer to them. See, we have to be careful we don't offend the Haitians right now, because they might interpret it as trolling. They might interpret Jamaica, top of the murder charts, can barely solve and convict crimes. Jamaica offer any kind of help. As a matter of fact, the Haitian them probably won't even answer the phone. Secretary be like, sir, we just got a message from the Jamaicans saying they're going to call in about 60 seconds and they're going to be offering some help. I'm going to transfer a call to you, sir. This is exactly what's going to happen. Phone going to ring from now till 2022. The man in our answer. They're not answering. They're not interested. Right. The Jamaica offer help to solve crime. Them kind of big level, high level crime, yeah. Cut out the foolishness. Right. But I would say we wish the Haitians the best. But let's not get carried away. Offer help. You need help. Your favorite leaders need help to solve crime at Jamaica. What if you go offer help? Offer help when they can figure out what's going on at Central Kingston. Right. Offer help when they can arrest and convict them one day. Offer help when they can keep some of the most notorious man them, right, in Jamaica behind bars. Right. Then maybe the world, maybe the other islands them can say, alright, yeah, make it Jamaica. But until then, if Jamaica call anybody and offer any kind of help to deal with any kind of crime, this is what the people are going to do. Jamaica does not have the track record nor the resources to spare. If it's some kind of natural disaster, then, for example, some earthquake or something go on, then you don't know. Right? A contingency of JDF will help out by all means. But when you talk about them kind of high level badness, yeah, better keep your distance and wish them luck. Haiti might be a troubled country, but Haitians are not weak. I'm sure they'll figure it out eventually. And when them start asking for help, right, or them want people, investigators from all over come help with this and help with that, I am pretty sure Jamaica won't be on that list of people them a call. Pretty sure. If I was a betting man, I'd put money upon it. The matter of fact, the whole thing Haiti would probably ask Jamaican help for is how to top murder charts. Because as bad as Haiti may be, Jamaica's or Haiti's murder rate is nowhere near as high as Jamaica, which is extraordinary to me. A country so unstable, a country that is supposedly turned upside down and is supposedly hell, still can't top the murder rate, still can't beat out Jamaica. Better worry about your own backyard first, where you watch your neighbor, and the people who are people yard. And I say, right, then she saying pipe a leak. And then the whole of your pipe bust, flood out to us long time. They're not picking up, because they might think a troll is a troll. Anyway, I'm left this one a little for now. Patreon squad, you go on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.